Hello everyone, look this data and I have inserted this pie graph by using this data. This is a great way to visually represent data in your documents. Let's get started. How to insert pie graph in Microsoft Word. First open your Microsoft Word document and click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Here in the illustration box the chart option is present. Now click this chart option. A new window will pop up with the various chart types. Scroll down and select the pie from the list on the left side. So click on this pie. You will see different styles of pie charts. For this tutorial we will choose the standard pie chart. Now click OK to insert into your document as that. Once the pie chart is inserted, an Excel window will open where you can enter your data of your interest. For example, the data present in your Microsoft Word document. Here you can replace the sample data with your own. Simply click on the cells and type in your data. This is the most important part of the video, so observe carefully. I am going to change data in Excel sheet according to data present in Microsoft Word document. So the first cell in Microsoft Excel sheet will be named as Ali, second Arslan, and similarly the third cell will be named as Talha and last one will be named as Nabil as present in my Microsoft Word document. Now observe carefully, after changing name in Excel sheet, the same name has shown in Microsoft Word under the pie graph. Now I am going to change data in the Excel sheet. Observe carefully that when I change the data in Excel sheet, the pie graph changed automatically. You can rename this pie graph by just simply clicking on the text box present on the upper side of the pie graph. If you want to change the design of pie graph, just simple click on the pie graph and go to the design tab and select any one of the design of your interest. There are further customizing options of the pie graph, for example the outline of the box of the pie graph, and similarly we can change the color of text of pie graph, and we can also outline the all parts of the pie graph. All of these options are present in the Format tab and Design tab. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Bye bye.